Calling number one.
Hey, man, what's up? This is Dominique from Shady No Trailer Park.
What's up, Dominic?
A rich nigga, 8-figure, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type.
Hello everyone, welcome back. And I decided to hop on camera really quick before my client, so that's why I'm barefaced and I don't have any lashes on. And honestly, it's summertime, it's too hot for all that. Anyway, today's video is an unboxing video. So, unboxing video of my cousin's line. She just launched it. It's a beauty line. So she sells sunglasses, lashes, and I'm sure there's more to come. So it came in a box like this. And I think it's cute. I'm digging the blue or whatever, and yeah, it originally came in a box like this. But I mean, it's just packaging from right outside. So when I open the box, of course it's blue everywhere. I believe blue is her favorite color. And the company itself is called N.Lee Beauty. And her Instagram is N.Lee Beauties, IES. And the website is nleebeauty.com. So there's a little bit, but yes. And I believe these are sunglasses, so let's check them out. They're orange. Is this me? A little bit? Maybe. No? She has a cheetah pair that I'll be purchasing really soon because I'm really in love with the pair of sunglasses she has. Also, I have 2 pairs of lashes here. And it looks to be from the Around the World collection. And this one is Venice. Venice, I think that's how you pronounce it. And Venice is where? Italy. Italy, I believe. And I don't know why she picked so hard. And I think this one is Istanbul, which I believe is in Turkey. I think these are all places she's been as well. She's a traveler. But anyhow, I wish she would have chose names people could pronounce. How about that one? Anyhow, they're really beautiful. Really beautiful. Really natural. Well, not too natural. But I definitely, you know, I like dramatic. So those are the 2 things that I got in my PR package, and I'm really excited. Like, I'm really excited. And I'm so happy to be able to support her and see how much she will grow, and she seems to have it down packed, and I'm feeling it. So anyhow, you guys, go right on over to her Instagram and purchase sunglasses and lashes and whatever else she might have on her site at nleebeauty.com. Don't forget. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hello everyone, welcome back. And today's video is another unboxing video. Hello everyone, welcome back. And today's video is a PR video. Hello everyone.